Hello students, today we will learn maximum and minimum intensity in interference pattern. When two coherent beams of amplitude A1 and A2 and intensities I1 and I2 interferes in the same phase at a point, then we get constructive interference or a maxima at that point. The maximum intensity of the resultant beam at that point is the square of the sum of the amplitudes of the two interfering coherent beams. So IR maximum is equal to A1 plus A2 whole square or under root I1 plus under root I2 whole square. When two coherent beams of amplitudes A1 and A2 and intensities I1 and I2 interferes in opposite phase at a point, then we get destructive interference or minima at that point. The minimum intensity of resultant beam at that point is the square of the difference of the amplitudes of two interfering coherent beams. So IR minimum is equal to A1 minus A2 whole square is equal to root I1 minus root I2 whole square. We always get a maxima or constructive interference at a point on the screen when the path difference between two interfering coherent beams is an even multiple of lambda by 2, or the phase difference between two interfering coherent beams is an even multiple of pi. We obtain a minima or destructive interference at a point when the path difference between two coherent beams is an odd multiple of lambda by 2. For a minima, the phase difference between two coherent beams would be an equal to odd multiple of pi. So at all those points where the phase difference between two interfering coherent beams is an even multiple of pi, we get a maxima, and at those points where the phase difference is an odd multiple of pi, we get a minima. There is a path difference between the two interfering coherent beams because the distance traveled by the two beams at different points on the screen is always different. Let us consider an example. Find the ratio of the maximum and minimum intensity of resultant beam formed by superimposition of two coherent beams which have intensities in the ratio 4:1. In this question, we are provided two coherent beams which have intensities in the ratio of 4:1, and we have to find the maximum resultant intensity and the minimum resultant intensity, and then we have to find their ratios. So the maximum resultant intensity IR is equal to root 4I plus root I whole square, which can be equal to 2 root I plus root I whole square or 3 root I whole square equal to 9I. The minimum resultant intensity at a point is IR root 4I minus root I whole square is equal to 2 root I minus root I whole square is equal to root I square is equal to I. So the ratio of maximum to minimum intensity is 9:1.